BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the dev channel has also received its new weekly build upgrade and is now being bumped up to preview build 25169. And this latest preview build was made available as well, as mentioned previously, on the 28th of July, which was yesterday in my region. Now, build 25169 does have a couple of new additions, and I would say the key highlight for this latest dev channel build would be the Windows Spotlight now, which can now be enabled on the desktop using a brand new Windows Spotlight theme. Now, if you are running Windows 11, you may know that Windows Spotlight is available as a feature for your desktop, where previously it was only made available for the lock screen, and the stable version has the option now for that Windows Spotlight, which brings daily images to your desktop, which you can also switch to the next picture as another example and go through those images. And if we just head to the settings menu in the stable version, currently to enable Windows Spotlight, you have to head to personalization, background, and then here is where you enable it over and above picture, solid color, slideshow, and then you have that option, as many of you may know, to enable Windows Spotlight. Now, this is all going to change and in the latest dev channel build 25169, where it's now going to be enabled using themes. So it will become its own theme, like we currently have in the stable version. So you would just go to the Windows Spotlight theme as an example and select that theme, and then it will also be displayed here under your most recently used themes as well. And just to give you an idea, if we just have a look at this screenshot taken from the release notes, as we can see here, the Windows Spotlight, it says rotating background images, as mentioned, those being daily images for the day, and you can now, in build 25169, apply Windows Spotlight to your desktop using its own theme. So that's, I would say, the key highlight in this latest dev channel build. Now, just to make quick mention of some other improvements and add-ons that have rolled out, there's a new multi-app kiosk mode. And according to the release notes, this mode is a lockdown feature for Windows 11 that will allow IT admins and administrators to select a set of allowable apps to run on the device while all other functionalities are blocked. And what this does, basically, it creates multiple different apps and access configurations for different user types on a single device. And Microsoft says this will be ideal in circumstances in which multiple people need to use the same device. And this can include frontline workers, retail scenarios, education, and test taking as some examples. And then there's a new input improvement. They've added the US English handwriting model to be faster and more accurate. Settings, that's received an improvement. It now supports managing apps which were earlier only supported from Control Panel. This includes uninstallation of apps which have interdependencies, and Microsoft gives an example, Steam and gaming apps running on Steam, just to mention one example. And then Windows Security, the Windows Security app version is now displayed in the Windows Security settings under About. So those are your key new features and add-ons in build 25169. And then over and above the kiosk mode, those changes and improvements, Windows Spotlight, input settings, Windows Security, you get your fixes, and fixes have rolled out, as we can see, for File Explorer, taskbar, the start menu, settings. There's an input fix, and then you have all your other general fixes, and I will leave these release notes in the description if you would be interested. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.